Imagine a future where thoughts control machines. Welcome to the world of Neuralink. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes, spearheaded by none other than the ambitious, eccentric, and ever-innovative Elon Musk. Neuralink is a brain science startup co-founded by Musk, with the audacious mission to merge man with machine through a brain-computer interface. Now, what does this mean? Simply put, a brain-computer interface is a system that allows communication between a brain and an external device. Musk's Neuralink is developing a chip called the Link, which, when implanted in the brain, can detect and interpret neural signals. These signals can then be used to control external technologies. Imagine being able to operate your smartphone or even your car just by thinking about it. But before we dive deep into the realms of imagination, let's take a step back and look at the reality. Neuralink's journey to this point has been anything but smooth. After facing several challenges, including an investigation by the U.S. Department of Transportation and rejection of its application for human trials by the FDA, Neuralink finally got the green light from the FDA in 2023 to conduct its first in-human clinical study. This was a significant milestone not just for Neuralink, but for the whole field of neurotechnology. No other brain-computer interface, BCI company, had ever received final approval from the FDA. And now, just a year later, Neuralink has successfully implanted its interface into a human brain, marking a new chapter in the annals of human technology interaction. But as Musk often says, with great power comes great responsibility. And there's no denying that Neuralink holds immense power. Some might even joke that Musk could use Neuralink to control people's minds, but rest assured, that's not the plan. At least not yet. Elon Musk's Neuralink has taken a giant leap forward into this future with the successful implantation of its interface into a human brain. Neuralink has made a significant breakthrough. The first ever human recipient of Neuralink's brain-computer interface is on the road to recovery. This remarkable milestone marks the beginning of a new era in brain science, where our thoughts could potentially control computers. The individual, whose identity and medical condition remain under wraps, has had the groundbreaking Neuralink device implanted into their brain. This device consists of a chip and electrode arrays designed to register thoughts related to motion. The initial results have shown promising signs. The device has been successful in detecting neuron spikes, a crucial factor in translating brain activity into digital commands. This implantation is not just a scientific feat, it is a testament to human determination and innovation. It comes after the FDA gave Neuralink the green light for human clinical trials in 2023, another significant step in the journey of this brain-computer interface. Neuralink, in its pioneering spirit, has opened enrollment for its first study to people with quadriplegia, showing its commitment to improving the lives of people with disabilities. While there's limited information available about the trial and the recipient's medical condition, the early signs are promising. The recipient is said to be recovering well, and the device has been successful in its primary function, detecting neuron spikes. However, it's important to remember that this is just the beginning. There's a long road ahead, and many more trials will be needed before we can truly understand the potential of this technology. But if there's one thing we know about Elon Musk and Neuralink, it's that they're not afraid to dream big. They envisage a future where this technology could restore mobility and eyesight, and even merge humans with AI. It's a vision that may seem ambitious, even outlandish, but if anyone can make it a reality, it's them. After all, who would have thought we'd be talking about the first human brain implantation just a few years ago? And speaking of Elon Musk, there's a running joke that he might use Neuralink to control people's minds, but don't worry, that's just a joke. For now at least. This implantation is a bold step towards fulfilling Neuralink's lofty goals. It's a step towards a future where disability doesn't limit ability, where we can control technology with our minds, and where the boundaries of human potential are continually being pushed. It's a future we can all look forward to. What can Neuralink do, and why does it matter? Now that's the million-dollar question. Neuralink's potential is as vast as the universe of our brain. It aims to restore mobility and eyesight. Imagine giving someone the gift of sight or the ability to move freely again. It's like a science fiction movie coming to life, but it doesn't stop there. Neuralink is also about enabling computer control by thinking. Yes, you heard that right. The power to control technology with mere thoughts. Imagine the possibilities from operating your smartphone to driving your car, all with the power of thought. It's a concept that blurs the line between humans and technology, taking us into a future that we're still trying to comprehend. Moreover, Neuralink has a particular focus on helping people with quadriplegia. By decoding neural signals, it's believed that the device could allow those with severe paralysis to regain control of their limbs or operate external technologies. It's a ray of hope for those who thought they had none. However, every rose has its thorns. Neuralink is no exception. One of the major challenges relates to bandwidth limitations. While the wireless communication between the chip and device is groundbreaking, it may not capture every neuron due to these limitations. It's like trying to capture the vastness of the ocean in a teacup. And then there's the elephant in the room, the need for invasive brain surgery. The process of implanting the Neuralink device requires a delicate and potentially risky procedure. The brain, after all, is the control center of our bodies, and any harm to it can have severe consequences. The potential of Neuralink is immense, but it's a long road ahead with many challenges to overcome. It's like climbing a mountain. It's tough, the journey is long, and the conditions can be harsh. But the view from the top, that's what makes it all worth it. And for Neuralink, the view from the top is a future where the limitations of the human body are no longer a barrier. A future where technology and humanity become one. Now, isn't that a view worth climbing for? Every groundbreaking innovation comes with its share of controversies, and Neuralink is no exception. As we dive deeper into the world of Neuralink, we inevitably stumble upon the criticisms and controversies surrounding it. The road to innovation is never smooth, and Neuralink's journey is a testament to that. Let's delve into some of the issues that have cropped up along the way. One of the major criticisms faced by Neuralink revolves around the treatment of animals. Activist groups have raised concerns about the welfare of the animals used in the initial stages of Neuralink's experiments. The company's approach, which involves invasive surgery to implant devices into the brains of animals, has been the subject of ethical debates. Additionally, there's been skepticism within the scientific community. Some experts question the feasibility of Neuralink's ambitious goals. They argue that the complexity of the human brain and the current technological constraints make it unlikely for Neuralink to fully achieve its objectives in the near future. The wireless communication between the chip and the device, while novel, may not capture every single neuron due to bandwidth limitations. Moreover, Neuralink has also been under the microscope of the U.S. Department of Transportation. Although the details of the investigation are not entirely clear, it added another layer of controversy to the company's operations. And let's not forget the concerns about privacy and potential misuse. With a device that can literally read your thoughts, the question of who has access to that data and how it could be used is a valid concern. As one might joke, what if Elon Musk uses Neuralink to control our minds? These criticisms and controversies are important to consider as we evaluate the potential impact of Neuralink. They remind us of the ethical and practical challenges that come with breakthrough technologies. But it's also worth noting that criticism and controversy often accompany bold innovations. While Neuralink has faced some backlash, the company continues to forge ahead with its mission. What does the future hold for Neuralink? That's the question on everyone's lips. Elon Musk, the brain behind Neuralink, has painted a future both fascinating and somewhat daunting. His vision for Neuralink spans far beyond the current applications. He envisages a world where the device could be used to treat blindness, mental illness, and even restore mobility. Imagine a world where the blind could see again not through their eyes, but through a direct interface with their brain. A world where mental illness could be a thing of the past, controlled and managed through the power of technology. A world where paralysis is no longer a life sentence but a condition that can be overcome. This is the future Musk imagines with Neuralink, but Musk's ambitions don't stop at medical miracles. He's also talked about the potential for Neuralink to merge humans with artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. Merging our organic brains with the digital intelligence of a computer. It's a concept that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel. And who knows, with Musk at the helm, it might just be possible. Now let's lighten the mood a little. There's a playful rumor doing the rounds. It suggests that Musk, being the visionary he is, might just use Neuralink to control our minds. Imagine waking up one day with an insatiable craving for electric cars, or finding yourself inexplicably drawn to the idea of colonizing Mars. Sounds crazy, right? But in a world where a chip in your brain isn't just a figure of speech, who knows what could happen? But let's not get carried away. The future of Neuralink, like all technology, will be shaped by a mix of ambition, scientific progress, and societal acceptance. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era where the lines between man and machine may blur in ways we've only dreamed of. Whether we're ready or not, the era of brain-computer interfaces is upon us, and Neuralink is leading the charge. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Neuralink. This man needs no introduction. As the driving force behind companies like SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has a track record of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With Neuralink, he's venturing into a new frontier, the human brain. Musk's vision for Neuralink is as ambitious as it is audacious. He doesn't just want to treat neurological disorders, but to augment human cognition and even merge humans with AI. This is a man who doesn't shy away from the big questions. Remember when Musk demonstrated a working Neuralink device implanted in a pig named Gertrude? That was one of the first glimpses the world got of Neuralink's technology in action. It was a moment that was both awe-inspiring and a little disconcerting, but it was classic Musk, showing us that the future is closer than we think. Musk's plans for the future of Neuralink go far beyond what we've seen so far. He's spoken about the potential for Neuralink to allow people to communicate telepathically, to download skills directly into the brain, and to create a symbiosis between human and machine intelligence. It's a vision that's both exhilarating and a little terrifying. But if anyone can make it happen, it's Elon Musk. Elon Musk continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with Neuralink. Whether his grand vision will become a reality, only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, with Musk at the helm, the journey is guaranteed to be a wild ride. Elon Musk, a man of many ventures. While Neuralink may be his latest endeavor, it certainly isn't his first. Musk's entrepreneurial journey has seen him at the helm of companies that have revolutionized multiple industries. SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company are just a few examples. SpaceX, Musk's aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company, has made waves with its ambitious goal of making human life multiplanetary. His electric vehicle company, Tesla, has been at the forefront of the push for sustainable transport. Meanwhile, the Boring Company, his tunnel construction and infrastructure company, aims to combat traffic congestion in major cities by creating a network of underground tunnels. Each of these ventures, in their own way, ties into Musk's vision for Neuralink. The desire to push boundaries, to question the status quo, and to look towards a future that many of us can't even imagine yet. It's this drive and vision that have been instrumental in the success of his companies. Whether it's launching rockets into space, revolutionizing the automotive industry, or digging tunnels under cities, Musk is not one to shy away from a challenge. And with Neuralink, he's taking on perhaps his biggest challenge yet, the human brain. Elon Musk's entrepreneurial spirit continues to drive innovation across multiple industries. His other ventures provide not just a glimpse into the mind of this visionary, but also a framework for understanding his approach to Neuralink. He's a man who sees possibilities where others see only obstacles, and it's this mindset that will undoubtedly shape the future of Neuralink. As we continue to follow the journey of Neuralink, we can't help but wonder what other ventures Musk has up his sleeve. But for now, we watch, wait, and marvel at the audacity of his vision. A man of many ventures indeed.